we come from China. And this is the second year we joined the G2B exhibition. And we're so excited. The Bangladesh market and the Bangladesh industry for this garment manufacturing will make us so excited and productivity. And this time we joined this exhibition, we also bring our new technology and our products, such as this kind of pad, we call it the U-pad. And this kind of productivity can also help our local factories, especially the workers, to improve their efficiency and to improve their good quality, and also by the help of our local good partners. We have a good cooperation. We have started our business cooperation in Bangladesh big factories. Thank you.